Oh, let's get it.
Say that. I'm a very cautious driver. I sit all the way up to the steering wheel.
Your windshield wipers, how fast it's going. It's not even raining. Turn your windshield wipers off.
Oh, I think I did it accidentally there. Okay. Whee!
Wow. Yeah, you can go.
Whee! Are you excited? Don't forget to turn, because if you don't, then we're going to be on the main road.
We need to go real slow. We need to go 2 over the speed bump. 2.
No.
2. Which way do I turn?
Right? Turn.
Stop, you're freaking me out,
What do you
dude.
mean, which way do you turn?
Oh, God, is that too fast?
No.
Turn right.
Turn.
I'm turning.
So slow.
I thought I was a bad driver. I'm just kidding. Go a little faster. Let loose. She's got her seatbelt on.
Oh my God, this is so fun, dude.
You want to go round 2?
You don't have to turn the wheel as slow as the car is going.
Can I go around one more time, really?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay.
If you don't go slow.
If I can't go slow?
Yeah, you got to go like 25.
Okay,
Except for on the curves.
I used to go really fast. Listen, that's why I'm slowing down, because I used to go really, really fast around turns. Like,
on the car. Go fast before you get out of the car.
Bye, Zach!
This is scary.
Why?
I just like never pictured you being able to drive. Oh, okay, because you don't do that to me. You fucking windshield wipers, dog. Windshield wipers just to be able to see.
We hit something.
Good job. Now my car's fucked up.
Don't say that.
You'll have to pay
I
for
don't have
it.
money.
And and now Maga's gonna be mad because I don't have money either, and she's gonna have to pay for it. Good going.
I forgot about turn signals. Oh no.
Dude, we're in this neighborhood. A fucking God damn it! We're on the break.
This is fun.
No, we're in the Carmen Palm.
Having so much fun.
No, don't go up on the curb though. Actually, just like he's like, what the fuck?
Met Deb on the sidewalk.
What are you doing? Go park.
Oh.
You can always play that game.
That was pretty cool.
Oh my God. Scoot up, scoot up.
Oh, is it okay to scoot up a little bit?
Yeah, dude.
Let me in. It's fucking raining like a...
I know.
Yeah, I know. I want to know you.
You wanted to drive.
Fucking stop! This is cool!
Go. How long have you been there?
Fucking that long.
Don't sit on my popcorn. Stand on my popcorn. Alright. Thank you.
This smells good.
See? I'm not bad, huh?
Yeah, not that bad. I can't imagine, like,
I'm not bad.
though your window was down the entire time we were smoking, Zach. Plus it's raining. It's not.
I mean, it just started raining, that's what I'm saying.
If I had a car, I would have no one.
I don't know. Do you go that slow on main roads, or do you go the speed limit?
I go to speed limit. I'm really careful. I'm really cautious.
I got that entire thing on video. I'm still recording.